So we thought it did bratwurst here, but it doesn't. It's only burgers. The clue's in the name, but we'll know next time.
Can we just walk?
So we're at the topography of terror. Is it a museum, Claire? Yeah, it's a museum where it kind of like details and documents all the kind of like bad stuff that happened in Berlin during the war and stuff. We learn a wee bit about German history, so it should be quite good. Okay, so that's us done the topography of terror. It was okay. There's a lot of reading. I think you would probably need a bit more time. We were only there for about half an hour, 45 minutes at the most. It's quite frightening in that it details all the terrible stuff the Nazi party got up to in the lead up to the war and during the war. Frightening. A lot of reading though. So now we're going to go and get back on the bus. We've got a 2-day bus ticket. So some more sightseeing and some more eating. Claire loves doing some research on TripAdvisor whenever we go anywhere. We like to find local cuisine and we like to try local beers and puddings and stuff, especially puddings because we like our sweet stuff. So she found a place called Burgermeister, which apparently has the best bratwurst in Berlin. So that's our mission just now. Oh yeah, I can't wait! That way.
So we thought it did bratwurst here, but it doesn't. It's only burgers. The clue's in the name, but we'll know next time. Quite tasty.
Chili cheeseburger.
Chili cheeseburger for me. And what have you got? It's a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, yeah.
Clear, genuine reaction. How good was that?
Best burger ever.
What did you say in there that was quite interesting? About the flight?
Oh, I'd get a £25 flight just to come back for the burger.
Yeah, and number 39 wasn't collecting their order. What did you say?
What did I say?
If that person doesn't collect their food, I'm going back to eat it. Yeah, my burger came with mayonnaise, and I hate mayonnaise, but I scraped some of it off and it was still delicious. Fantastic. No bratwurst though.
No bratwurst.
No bratwurst, but we've still got time to find one. So back to the bus. top of the park inn just now. We're on the roof terrace at Alexanderplatz. It's flipping freezing, but the view is just spectacular, absolutely spectacular. Have a look at this. Pretty spectacular. Oh, there's the best view of all, Claire. There's the TV tower, that's where we were for dinner last night. And the view wasn't quite as good as it is today, but it was pretty cool up there. We had to cut shorter time on the terrace because it was flipping freezing. €4 entry, but I think it's well worth it because just for the view alone it was spectacular. Whew, it's so cold. Dinner time. So this restaurant, Amano's, number 3 on TripAdvisor, so we're gonna go see what it's like. That was fantastic. 2 courses, wine, beer, limoncello, €62. Well done, Amano. So definitely go there if you're in Berlin. Excellent, really good. Okay, so we're back at the hotel after a fantastic scoff at Amano. It was so good. The staff were lovely, the food was fresh, it was plentiful, and it was just really good. Right now I'm full and I feel good. It's a good full. So in Gaelic you could say Hamilan agus riarichte. Hamilan agus riarichte. Think of rear as in your rear end. Ichte. Riarichte. Hamilan agus riarichte. That's been our last day in Berlin. Berlin's been an awesome city. It's back to Glasgow tomorrow. Back to Rupert and Lexi. They're the cats.